What is going on, everybody? Russell here, aka Medic Magic. So this is gonna be a little bit different. The video you're about to watch was filmed a couple days ago. We haven't been filming too much just because we were trying to get a lot done, and when we take time to really sit down and film things, we tend to not get things done as quickly. So I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of what's going on before you watch today's video. So as of right now, the motor is in a million pieces. So we have the cams here, we have everything, the intake, pistons, all this kind of stuff. The entire car's guts are laying on the ground, which is fun. But here's this over here too. Today is Monday the 2nd, I believe, and the block is at the machine shop. So we're waiting to hear back from him about how bad the damage was. It wasn't too bad, but as soon as he gets back to us, we're gonna be ordering the pistons and rods tonight. We're going to be going with forged pistons and rods, and I think Ben said we're getting something else new, I'm not really sure. But anyways, the first drift event is 7 days away from now, next Sunday, maybe 6 days, however you wanna look at it. But as soon as we can get it back from the machine shop, everything's gonna be assembled, and then they're gonna balance it for us, do all that kind of fun stuff, and then we're gonna have a dyno day to get everything ready to rock and roll. So we're gonna be pushing it to get it done by this Sunday. But the first Pittsburgh car scene meet is on the 12th, which is next Thursday, which gives us a little bit more time. But anyways, I just wanna let you guys know this video kinda is all over the place and whatnot, but hope you guys enjoy it. Might as well start the day off filming. So we're back, day 2, S2000 rebuild. About noon, maybe like 11:30. We got Red Bulls, we got Monsters, we got chips. We gotta get this motor out. Right now it's got a body bag on it. So. This is this video where I literally turn around from editing this video and see this. Man, you're in a hell of a stance. You look like you're don't push, you're gonna poop. That's why you got the shorts on.
That's what they call the crouching tiger. You asked.
Don't laugh.
You asked. Why I had to get
You taking that intake off there? Man! I was really hoping to see a bolt on the end of that.
Oh, no. My work in here is done.
So you dismount that thing?
That's why I do yoga in the mornings.
Yeah. Hot yoga. All right, so we're making more progress with the fuel rail off. About to take the intake off so we can, you said we're gonna be able to see down in there. We take the intake off. We're gonna leave the intake on and then we're gonna hoist the engine by the intake evidently.
Yeah, I wouldn't tell people that.
We're not doing that though. Do you think it got sent enough? Not enough?
I mean, it's a lot of power for 11-to-1 compression.
So, you know. Colton's coming up. Colton's gonna make an appearance. He's gonna screw something up. Oh. Don't let him touch anything. All right, so we're making a lot of good progress. Almost have the transmission completely out. I need to get the shifter out again so we can drop the transmission, take it out, and then we're getting really, really close to pulling the motor. I still think we need an espresso machine up here where you're like, shh.
So we put 5.5 in. We'll see how it comes out.
And the stronger, the better. I mean, we only have an unlimited supply of Monsters and Red Bulls right now. People are gonna be triggered. People are gonna be triggered over this McCafe French press. That's some dark coffee. Holy smokes! Wow, that's really dark.
Is too much?
Yes. I mean, if you like your coffee like motor oil, you're fine. But I mean, I just realized the first video of us saying it's done and it rips.
Yeah.
In the video it says we blew it up. We're only 2 videos apart. So it was like
we're out having too much fun.
It was like it was done, 2 more videos, and then it's blown up.
Then it was really done. Do you try jacking that up just a little bit?
Sure. Tell me when.
Stop.
Lovey-dovey, the kiss kiss. People were loving my singing last time. Just burst the transmission again. Who would have thought this thing would have been out within another week?
Can you handle that by yourself?
I think so. Oh yeah, all day, John.
What was that?
Unfucking believable.
Sounded like the shift fork.
It was the fork.
What's that thing do? Somebody do something. First time at the shop. I was hoping to see some turbos making boost today, but apparently not.
So now that everybody's met the new Teddy, Colton over here. Now we got a new shop dog, Lola. Where'd Lola go? Lola!
Matilda.
Lola, come here! Aww. Everybody likes dogs. This is Coke. You can't have any Coke. Everything's disconnected. She's ready to come out and rock and roll. Good thing we got this engine stand over here, or this engine hoist. Have you ever lifted the motor before?
What?
Ben's an old pro at this. I've seen him do it 20 times. Because he just like knocks that off the front of the teeth on that gear. Oh, there's already haters saying, why didn't you go supercharger? You know why? Just to trigger you, guy. That's why I didn't go supercharger.
You like turbos?
Yeah.
We don't live in the...
Easiest way to mediocrity is to go with a freaking supercharger, just like everybody else. Oh, your compression's too high. Oh, turbos will blow your motor. Fuck off.
Turbos will blow your motor, huh? You wouldn't know from experience.
Oh, I'm gonna ask him. I'm gonna go, oh, how's the supercharger on your car doing? And he'll go, I spent my tax refund on an intake. Damn. Colton could probably just lift this out with his arms.
I thought that was the plan.
I mean, you got that beard. I heard there was another fist under there. You should go full sleeve tattoo.
I want to.
Do it. I'll do it. I'll do the tattoo. For free. There you go.
Ready?
I guess so. Thanks.
hurt. Okay, we need to get the crane in here. Now we might have to drop the car back down. I don't know if the crane will go high enough.
Oh. Man, that's a thumbnail there.
Ready?
Oh, just get...
It falls on the dog.
Yeah, just get it off the ball.
It falls off the dog on the dog. Get out of here.
Okay.
All right.
Here, Russ, hold this and I'll let it down.
Hold what?
The engine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Get out of here.
Russ likes the demon. You got it?
I guess so. I don't know what you want me to do.
Hold
I
it so
have
it
it.
stops spinning.
God.
What? What? I said you have it as it's twirling out of control, just like your.
Can you get it out of here?
Get the hell out of here. Get out of control. Only smooth operator.
We've only had this car for 6 months. It's been in the garage for
The entire time.
Yeah, 99% of its life.
Why not to buy an S2000? Is it gonna sit on that can? Because it's not flat.
I don't know.
We might have to get some block in here.
Damn. What are you doing now, Ben?
Taking the clutch back off.
Damn. Didn't we just put that on there?
Yeah, we did.
Fudge.
Get a little more height here.
All right, so right now the engine's over here. Just drained all the oil out of it. Nothing. No pistons fell out or anything. But freaking this good boy over here is getting into it. So intrigued. Need more height or?
Yeah, a little bit. You got it.
I got it. Hopefully nothing catastrophic happens. Don't put your head under there.
That's pretty good.
I see you poking around.
Go and get you a
Damn! So anyways, getting that off, we have some conies being delivered here. So we're putting in the work. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, let me know what you're thinking, drop me a comment, smash that subscribe button. We are having the spring kickoff meet April 21st on a Saturday. 1 p.m., Slippery Rock, Pennsylvania. More details to come. Make sure you guys get on my Instagram. I'm gonna make a Facebook event so you guys can RSVP. We'd like to get a nice head count to see where how many people are actually gonna come. That way we can organize like food, like vendors, if that's gonna happen, or just try and get an idea of what this is all gonna be anyways. So, make sure you guys are watching for that. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good day. We'll talk to you soon. Peace.